Welcome back to Yoyong and Jamie Adventure again. Oke, hari ini saya mau buat unboxing puzzle. Saya sudah terima 1 minggu yang lalu, tapi saya lupa unboxing. Saya lupa buka. Jadi mari kita sama-sama buka. Ini dress saya beli dari Instagram. Coba ya. Mana sudah nama Discord, cepat saya cari. Saya beli dari EV Boutique. Nampak kah? Saya pakai selfie mirror ini. Dari EV Boutique di Bintulu, Sarawak. Tapi sebelum itu, siapa yang baru masuk di channel saya, jangan kamu lupa subscribe, like, dan hit the bell button, oke? Oke. Mari kita sama-sama buka. Saya pun lupa sudah apa warna saya beli ya, dress apa saya beli. Saya lupa sudah. Ini dia pakai JNT. Paling cepat sampai dari Sarawak. Tapi saya lupa buka, terlampau sibuk adalah terkejar. Yang pelata gunting nanti sia-sia saya lupa sudah apa warna ini dress. Nanti saya kasih balik lah, saya lupa cek terlampau sibuk. Mari kita tengok sama-sama. Tapi kamu beli dress tempat dia, nanti kamu pergi tempat Instagram dia, kamu cek banyak dress tuh dia jual macam-macam dress, untuk wedding, untuk bride, untuk engagement, dinner, semualah. Kamu cek lah, harga dia pun berpatutan. Yang ini saya beli Rp69 saja. EV Boutique, nampak itu. Mari kita buka. Macam lawas saja yang saya beli nih, Rp69. Berbaloi kah? Oke, tinggal kamu depan dia macam ini. Dia macam ini, old fashion sikit style, tapi saya suka dia punya style lah. Depan dia ada butang, nampak kan? Dia lawa. Nanti saya pakai, saya kasih tengok kamu oke kah tidak, cantik kah tidak. Sekejap ya. Ini saya beli size S, so tidak size XS, so saya beli size S lah. Harap-harap ngam lah, kalau tidak ngam kau beli buat. Kita kasih derma lah siapa yang mau. Oke, mari kita tes guys, sekejap. Saya pergi tes dulu
What do you think, darling? New dress?
I think it's quite good to go in church.
And when did you last go to church? Now then, turn
Now
round.
it's everything online because of the virus.
Turn round.
Let me show you in front first.
Oh,
They are V shape. They have a button.
I couldn't see the buttons.
You have a button, and then they have a look at this
Embroidery.
and in the hand.
Oh, a bit
like
lacy, yeah, lacy
Lacy.
cover. Oh, yeah, very cute, very nice.
In the bottom, they have them like this. This
It's
is
Spanish looking, darling. Little bit
Ooh.
Spanish, and you got your Havaianas on as well.
oh yeah.
Hello
Not
there.
my slipper. Wait, turn off first.
I changed miraculously the shoes, darling. Ta-ding! Okay, does they look any different with different shoes in? bit Spanish looking, I see, a bit lacy, very nice.
Very nice. They have inside, they have this one.
Oh, inner skirt.
Inner skirt, so not come through.
Very good, very nice. And
They are
lacy sleeves as well as the bottom.
this shape.
Oh,
The
lacy.
lacy.
Very nice, pretty.
But then they have this is size S. If you are
I think it looks a little bit big around the waist, darling, but
no, very tight.
no, okay.
So let me show you in the back. Okay, the back is like this.
Very nice. Dong. Yeah. Just one thing, darling. Don't you think we need a bigger apartment? We only got 2 spare rooms for all your dresses, shoes, handbags.
No, it's not enough.
Oh yeah. Okay, very nice. Online?
I think this is priced online. She sells 69 ringgit 90 cents. So I think it's very
Good value,
good
darling.
value. Usually I buy dress petite, it's like 200 plus. But I think it's the same like this.
Yeah.
See, it's less.
Quality looks nice, yeah.
Only this one they don't have put a brand, but mine I but usually have a brand. But I think I'm happy with this.
Has it got a label in at all?
Oh, they said posh.
Oh,
Very posh.
just fake label. I think there are a lot of overstock products.
You can see in my back here.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of, oh yeah.
What does that say?
It's the same as before, postcode or something, isn't it?
Postcode.
Posh code. Wait, posh code. That's the same as the dress you bought the other day, darling.
Oh yeah, same. Same place, same owner.
There's a lot of overstock stuff because of the stores with COVID, people not going in, so it's been returning to the warehouse or staying in a factory. They just put different labels on it. Very good value.